Hey guys, Chef Josh here. Once again, let me show you how to do a baked scallop roll, but this time we're going to add imitation crab to it. So let's get into it. Okay, go ahead and cut these in smaller chunks. I will thirds. Let's bite to that. Okay. Okay, we'll have the imitation crab. That's right. I like to add a spicy mayo. Can be generous with that. And green onion. Make sure you wash your green onion. Sometimes it'll have dirt and stuff on it. You don't want that in the food. And for this one, we can leave the chunks a little bit thicker cuts. Trying to get a nice bite. Okay. Few drops of sesame oil. That. And now we mix. Oops. Step down here. Okay. We'll start off with the base. Already have the top made. I'll go ahead and grab my rice. Don't have to use too much rice this time. We're going to do about 3.5, 4 ounce. Okay, I'm just going to nicely spread that out here. It's an even spread. Okay, for the base, bottom, or I should say inside, I will go ahead and it's avocado. Imitation crab. Basically a California roll. For a nice crunch, we'll add some cucumber. Then we just tuck and roll. Make sure everything is nice and firm so it doesn't split on us. Okay. Tuck the ends in. Get that knife wet. 8 pieces. Okay. Then we take our scallop mix. Make sure it's nice and even. Just go ahead and pour that on top. Lay that right out. And you can use salmon for this as well. If you don't have scallop or imitation crab, you can use salmon. You can use whitefish of any sort. You can also use tuna. Whatever you desire, whatever is available for you. Convenient. Okay. We'll go ahead and torch this. I like to keep the torch moving. Give it a nice sear on that. You can hear it crackling. So I'll try to get this side here in the front too. Okay, so we have a nice sear on this. We'll set that here for just a second. What I like to do next is a few thin slices of butter. Turn the wrappers off. So I'll make sure our fish is still nice and moist. Yeah, that's done. And lightly add spicy mayo to that. And we garnish it. Crispy garlic. There we have it. A baked scallop roll, or torch scallop roll in our case, but you can bake it as well. You can bake it in the oven or a toaster oven, and then you can put it on top of your sushi roll as well. Very easily done at home. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Ask us any questions you have. If you're curious about the product, the link is right below in the details.